How to create a monthly budget in Google Sheets using Claude AI. So first what you need to do is make sure that Claude AI is connected to Google Drive. So click this plus icon, go to connectors, add connector, and then here as you can see Google Drive is one of the first ones, or you can search it up here if you don't see it. So anyways, I told it to create a clean and beginner friendly monthly budget template for Google Sheets, and let's click enter. So you're gonna have a preview window here on the right. You're gonna check it to see if it's okay. And then you're gonna click this open in Drive icon right here. And here as you can see, it created the template for us. And that's how to create a monthly budget in Google Sheets using Claude AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.